Parev, Anunis Andy, Inchgosis. Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Western Armenian language, Gerger dialect.
Gerger Siparparı.
The Gerger dialect is a Western Armenian transitional dialect belonging to the Western branch of the Armenian language. It historically formed part of the Western Mesopotamian Armenian dialect continuum. It was traditionally spoken in the region of Gerger, especially in Wank village, as well as in nearby settlements such as Kula and Tamsias. Related varieties were also reported in certain Armenian villages of the Chermik district of Diyarbakır province. The Gerger dialect shares linguistic similarities with the Armenian dialects of Harput or Harpert, Malatya, Diyarbakır or Dikranagert, and Urfa or Edessa. It represents a transitional variety between the Harput-Malatya dialect group and the southern Diyarbakır-Urfa dialect cluster. Phonologically, it preserves characteristic Western Armenian features while exhibiting regional Mesopotamian lexical influence. Lexically, it incorporated loanwords from Kurdish, Turkish, Arabic, and Syriac due to prolonged multilingual contact. Before the early 20th century, the dialect was transmitted naturally within Armenian village communities. Following the historical displacements of 1915 and subsequent demographic changes, the dialect ceased to be actively spoken in most of its original locations. Today, it is considered dormant or nearly extinct, surviving only in fragmentary memory among descendants and in limited oral recollections. No standardized orthography historically existed for the dialect. It was primarily transmitted orally using the Armenian script when written. The Armenians of Gerger formed parts of the Western Armenian population of Upper Mesopotamia, situated historically at the intersection of the Mamrutul Aziz or Harput and Diyarbakır Vilayet zones within the Ottoman administrative structure. Anthropologically, they represented a rural highlands riverine community embedded in the Euphrates Basin cultural sphere, maintaining agrarian subsistence patterns alongside artisanal specialization, particularly in metalwork and goldsmithing. The Gerger settlements, most notably Wank, and surrounding villages, functioned as micro-communities structured around extended kinship networks, parish-based organization, and localized authority patterns typical of late Ottoman Armenian village life. Ethnographically, their material culture reflected a transitional identity. Dress, cuisine, and architectural forms displayed affinities with Harput and Diyarbakır Armenian traditions, while incorporating Mesopotamian elements shaped by sustained interaction with Kurdish, Zaza, and Syriac populations. Multilingual contact environments influenced both social practice and linguistic formation, positioning the community within a shared but differentiated frontier zone of cultural exchange. Historical disruptions in the early 20th century led to demographic rupture and displacement, fragmenting the continuity of communal life. However, collective memory, oral narratives, ritual practices, and dialect remnants preserved aspects of Gerger Armenian identity among descendants. In this sense, the Gerger Armenians exemplify a borderland society whose anthropological profile was defined by agrarian economy, inter-ethnic coexistence, ecclesiastical centrality, and adaptive resilience within a shifting imperial and post-imperial landscape. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their dialect. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
Ամեն մարդուց զավակներ ազատ ու հավասար կծունին, բադով և իրավունքներով, և կժիղով, և բարդ է վարույն, մեկ-մեկ ու հանդեպ եղբայրության հոգիվ.
Numbers
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Greetings and phrases.
Բարի եղաք, բարև, ալոյս հավադա, բարի իրիգուն, բարի քիչեր, լավ խուն, ինչ խոսիս, լավ եմ, տուն ինչ խոսիս, շխո երգարվախ կլալո, շխո երգարվախ կլալե, անունդ ինչ հա, անունս որտեղ ծիս, ես ընեմ, kes janjali haceliye gergeri hayrangi husis ayo çi mersi xintirem guh sirem kes haskatsay çim hasnim ki guh neretsek xintirem gerevna ki usaçı yıllar şeker kimi kahteriz miyan havut kitbahe ya o asfasires esinçe heleyinç hanekçiye.
Vocabulary.
Yes, tun, aniga, ev, menk, tuk, anong, asiga, aniga, hos, vaye, babo, mayr, kalo, mayrik metz, yekpayr, koyr, ogil, akçik, mardots, aruh, igagan, baregam, muallim, talebe, aşk, aganç, kit, beran, dıran, ser, maz, demk, zerk, vodk, küçük, pesik, xos, gov, qoyin, zi, meşk, hav, çeçik, tuzuk, sağik, xot, sar, yaprak, buduh, garmir, kabuyt, sari, kanaç, spitak, sev, anun, or, gişer, dari, arev, luysin, asqer, grak, jur, heva, xok, yergink, zov, ler, andar, zax, aç, kedrun, u, heger, çimki, zer, nur, genç.
Sample text.
Sepyurn u arev gıx vijin megzmetu het. Ov aveli zor avare. Yerb teysan mek çambort me. Vor karajnar. İr verar kuyin meş patvats. Hames sen egan. Te ov vor araçinullar. Vor çamportin i verar kun hanetsner. Amenon zoravor nigatver. Apo hova. Sıksav guh piçer ir bolor zorutyamb. Bayts. Vorkan aveli guh piçer. Aynkan aveli çamborta. Ir verar kun. Averi sekmez ir vuray yev verç. Hova zigets. Vor aniga hanerzayn. Apa arev sıksav şoğal. Yev kiç adene yetk. Çamburt taksats. Hanets iri verar kun. Anor hamar. Huyuisan hov spitsvats. Egav jaşnal te. Arev yergussen aveli zoravor. Orme gergeri vank gyogim meç. Vordi yev ir untanik hagag u yerjani qaprein. Anong hoşkerçumtiyan guh spaqin. Yev şirjqay kırtagan u zazakan yogerun het arevdur genayin. Ayt untanikin hayr uner yergu vordi yev yerek ahçik. Mes vordin hor heret hoşkerçun guh sorver yeh kaşkater. İsmişnek. Vordin darmupyan guh svaxer. Pokrere derdan meçayn yev mor kovgogin. Min çev megor. Gyogin meç bnağoq asurigen mek. Vor moşkerutyamb. Aveli hmud Sıksav kors ir qoğim ikaşel. Mardi kamas. Anorkov guh tarnayin. Yev vankin untanikin kors nuvazel sıksav. Mez vordin. Vordonin amenen şat yakamut kudar. Aynş şat kiç kuşa Anor hamar. Meg or hayr vordun hut durs yalav. Yev yasin sıksan kaler gergeri daştin meç. Hayrin gang arav daştin meç. Nayets vordun açkerun meç yev meg saynov asav. Oğul inç xosis lavis. Oğul gıses. Valla babo heleniçe inç xosis. Yav asfasires. Şxo ağekçim. Ma oğul aran savit gang şxo çıka. Oğul gıses. He babo es iravi. Aran savit şxo gang çıka. Tun iravin gıses. Tahayde mir tune. Mayriyim gıspese. Güken kişer lupya inç ağvar u hamuver ıllar. Babo gıses. Ha şörle iravi oğul menertang. Tahayde.